In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center a table in Outlook email. We'll walk through opening Outlook on the web, inserting a table, and then using a simple formatting trick to center it so your message looks clean and professional. Start by opening your web browser. If Outlook isn't already open, search for Outlook and click the official Outlook website. Once you're in, we'll create our example directly in a new message so you can see the results in real time. Click New Mail to open a blank Compose window. Click inside the main message area so the formatting toolbar becomes active. This ensures the editor knows where you want to work and reveals the options we need. Next, go to the Insert section of the toolbar. Choose Table, then hover over the grid to pick the number of rows and columns you want. Select the size that fits your content, and Outlook will drop the table right into your email body. Before adjusting the position, highlight the entire table. You can do this by dragging across it or clicking near its edge until it's fully selected. Then press Ctrl and C on your keyboard. This quick copy is just a safety net. It keeps a backup on your clipboard in case you want to revert any formatting changes. Now switch to the Format Text tab at the top of the Compose window. In this section, look for the Increase Indent icon. It typically looks like lines with an arrow pointing to the right. Click Increase Indent and watch the table nudge to the right. Click it again and again until the table sits visually near the center of your email. You're essentially adding left indentation to the entire block, which works well because Outlook's web editor doesn't offer a dedicated center table button. Take a moment to eyeball the margins on both sides of the table. Stop when the spacing looks balanced. Keep in mind that what appears perfectly centered can vary a bit depending on your browser's zoom or window width, so aim for a visually even result within your Compose window. That's it. Open Outlook in your browser, start a new message, insert your table, highlight it and copy as a quick backup, go to Format Text, and use Increase Indent until the table looks centered. This simple approach keeps your layout tidy without any advanced formatting, and it works consistently across most modern browsers. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting!